Guys, I just realised I've not shown you my laundry basket, which is the Addis laundry basket, and I wanted a folding one. I had a folding one previously. It was one of the ones where you push down on all the sides, but the sides split, so I decided not to go for another one. I wanted to go for a different type, so I went for the Addis one. And as you can see, when it's flat, it is super flat. So when I don't use this, either tuck it behind my bedroom door or slide it under the bed, or just tuck it behind the laundry area's door so it's completely out of the way. Or of course you could put it up on a hook and flat it against the wall. And all you do is you open it up, and then just like that, you click it down and it's done. Hey presto. And then when you're done finished, you just push it back, which is quite hard to do with one hand, but I'll try. There you go. And it is super sturdy. I've had a full basket up and down the stairs hundreds of times with it, and yeah, it's just a really good, so far solid, no issues with the hinges, it not popping out. It's just a really good solid washing basket, much better than the one that had the rubber seal push down the whole unit one, which I think I picked up from a value store somewhere. But yeah, overall absolutely chuffed, and I really appreciate the fact that you can just collapse it down when you're done with it. And if you're not keen on it, if you do order it, check out and all that stuff, and it's not for you, you can always return it under Amazon's 30-day returns. So give it a try and recommend it.